to my after party. I decided to try some of these products on as far as cleansing and masks go. So first, I'm going to use this to take my hair up. That's not the typical thing, but I got it on one of my boxes, and it kind of duels as a mask. It also duels as a hair tie. I'm just going to do that. Okay, so the first thing, I'm going to try these cute little rounded things. What are they called? I should say the right word. I don't know. Cleaning pods, I guess. That's the only thing I got out of it. Now I got this Enzyme Face Papaya, Naked Papaya. I believe I got this from my single swag box. I have yet to use it because I have my own everyday cleanser. So I'm guessing you just wet this and use it to wet your face. Oh yeah, it holds a lot of water, so it works really well. And then put this on. I don't know if you put it on this first and then you, oh my gosh, it's so soft. And because it has all of the little fabric, I bet you it's a really thorough cleanse. Okay. And then I don't have to dip my face in there because I could just use this. Oh, I have it on all the way hot. Whew. Okay. Oh. And there you go. And I bet you could just wring that out, hang it up, and use the other side the next day. So I'm going to do because I'm cheap. And you only get 3 of them, so if it's going to last all week, that's how I'm going to do it. And yeah, it cleans very good. I think so. So the next step, okay, I just cleansed my face. Now I'm going to scrub, exfoliate my lips. I don't know how long ago I got this, but I haven't used it yet. I remember I think I got it in the fall. I may have even gotten it in the fall FabFitFun box. I don't even know. Gently apply a small amount over dry, cracked lips and remove with any excess sugar with a soft or warm cloth. Huh. Okay. Oh my God. You know what? It's like very oily. It has a little bit of sugar scrub to it. I don't know if the sugar part of it does anything. Maybe if you have cracked dry, it could like help get rid of it. I guess I should wait till I have chapped lips. I have so much chapstick. I'm always afraid of getting chapped lips that I usually don't have it. But okay, at least I tried it. It kind of tastes like oatmeal cookies. Not that I ate it, but like you get a little bit of the taste. And I don't know, it's kind of... Okay, now I want to try the Sun Out, Pouts Out thing. See if it's easy to open. It's not easy. Hold on. Okay, so I got it. Open. What on earth? Ugh. So you're not supposed to rinse it. I don't know if I actually kept it on for 10 minutes. I do feel that it's kind of getting a little tingly on the sides. I don't think it's medicated. It might just be because it's, you know how your fingers pringle? I think my lips are starting to along the edges. But I added it. There's so much extra gunk. It's not gunk, but you know, the stuff that they had in this, that I kind of just spread it across my face, which I don't know if was the best idea. I'm going to take it off. I love these. These are absolutely amazing. So, aces to the box this year. 2 more items that I want to try because I have my face clean. It's perfect for this. This is the brightening, the biome brightening that you're supposed to use. 1 to 2 drops. And I don't know if you're supposed to apply it directly to your face or if you're supposed to put it in your hands. Ooh, that has a very strong smell to it. It smells very herbal. Strong herbal. This one I would believe has cannabis in it. But it doesn't say it has cannabis, so just because it smells like it, but it doesn't. But it does have a lot of extracts. And it's supposed to give your complexion, brighten up your complexion. And then this lash serum. I've never tried this before. So if I'm doing it wrong, y'all can let me know. And then I can fix the way I do it. Remember this. And I'm guessing you just do this. So this is supposedly supposed to condition my eyelashes. So they're naturally thicker. Which I need because I can't wear mascara because it makes my eyes puffy. So hopefully this doesn't make my eyes puffy. I don't see any immediate results. What do y'all think? I don't know. Well, that is my show. I swear, that's it. That's all I'm going to do. But I am so glad FabFitFun came. Happy spring, guys. Bye.